In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split bills with PayPal. We all know that sometimes managing shared expenses with friends, family, or colleagues can be a hassle. Luckily, PayPal offers a simple solution to make this process a breeze. Let's walk through the steps together, ensuring you feel confident with each action. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal website. You'll want to make sure you're on the official site to keep your information secure. Once there, navigate to the top right corner and click on the Login button. Enter your email and password and then proceed to log into your account. If you've set up two-step verification, you might be prompted to receive a WhatsApp text or a regular text message. Simply follow the prompts to ensure your account remains secure. Now that we're logged in, you're on the PayPal homepage. Direct your attention to the top menu bar and click on Send and Request. This is where you can manage all things related to money transfers, including sending money, requesting payments, and of course, splitting bills. Next, select the Send option. Don't worry, you're not sending money right now. This step just opens more advanced options for helping you manage your transactions. As you click through, you'll notice a More button appear. Go ahead and click that, which will lead you into additional features that PayPal provides. From the list of options, you'll see one that specifically says Split a Bill. Click on it and PayPal will guide you through the process with ease. Here's a quick tip. It's a useful feature when you have multiple people contributing to a shared expense, like dinner out or a group gift. Enter the amount you wish to divide and select the people you want to split the bill with from your PayPal contacts. Ensure that everyone involved either has a PayPal account or is willing to sign up, as they'll need one to receive your request. PayPal will take care of the rest, sending out notifications to your contacts with the amount they owe. It's a straightforward system that alleviates awkward conversations about costs, and that's it. You've now learned how to split bills using PayPal, making shared expenses much more manageable. Keep an eye on your notifications for when your contacts complete their transactions, and enjoy the simplicity of seamless financial sharing. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.